Have you ever seen these numbers before? Hi, my name is Dirawan. I am in Jakarta now. I am in grade 3. Today we will talk about fractions. Have you ever known about the fractions before? Now, what do you see in these two boxes? Basically, they're not the same. Because in the first box, there are two whole apples, while in the second box, there are two half of the apples. What is a fraction? A fraction shows a part of a whole. Let's explore how they work. This is the explanation. A fraction has two parts, a numerator and denominator. The numerator is the top number. It tells how many parts you have. The denominator is the bottom number. It tells how many equal parts make up a whole. So how do you say the fractions? Use the numerator top number as a cardinal number, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. And the denominator, like the bottom number, as an ordinal number, like first, second, third, and so on. However, one can also be replaced with an A. Examples are 2 out of 3, we call it 2/3. 3 out of 4, we call it 3/4 or 3/4. 1 out of 5, we call it 1/5. 3 out of 10, we call it 3/10. 5 out of 11, we call it 5/11. Sometimes you will find special cases like 1/2 is also written a half, 1/4 that also can be called 1/4. How to apply fractions? First, you all need is things that can be counted or divided equally. Next, let's see the example of this circle. It is divided into 6 equal parts. This shows the denominator or how many equal parts in total. Then it is shaded 1 out of 6 equal parts will tell us about the numerator. Why do we need fractions? It will be the foundation to learn other math advanced topics. For example, decimal and percentage. 1 out of 2 or 5 out of 10 is equal to 0.5 and also equal to 50%. Probability. In WMI, one question has 5 choices of an answer. The probability to answer the correct answer is 1 out of 5. And definitely you need it because you will use it in your daily life. Real life fractions. Fractions are all around us in real life. In cooking and baking, the kitchen is a great place to find real life examples of fractions. Recipes are full of them. 1 out of 3 of cup of flour, 1 out of 8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a cup of milk. Cut the dough into quarters and roll it into 1 out of 4 thick. If you don't know fractions, you won't know how to cook. Eating out at a restaurant. A meal can be full of fractions. Sharing a whole pizza with friends or splitting the check all involve fractional parts of a whole. In telling time, to tell time and use a clock, you must understand certain fractional values like quarter of an hour, half an hour, quarter till, quarter past, and half past. Shopping. Want to buy something? Then you need to understand money. A quarter is 1 out of 4 a dollar. How many cents is half a dollar worth? How much does that shirt cost when it's sale for half off? Fraction to the rescue. Let's do fraction in real life. How many pieces is the cake in? cut into? The answer is 8. If I ate 3 slices of a cake, what is the fraction of the cake left? It's 5 out of 8. What is the numerator in this problem? The answer is 5. What is the denominator in this problem? The answer is 8. Let's do it again. What time is the picture shown? 5:15, or we could call it 5 past 15. How to say that time in another way? The answer is a quarter past 5. How do you represent a quarter in fraction form? The answer is 1 out of 4. That's all about fraction. Thank you for listening.